From epic daytime POVs to stunning nighttime 360-degree videos, learn how to make the most of your Insta360 X5. Shooting settings. Tap the icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to toggle between different shooting modes, such as video, Instaframe, and more. Using video mode as an example, tap the shooting specifications or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to change the resolution and frame rate. Tap the top icon to turn active HDR on or off. Swipe left from the edge of the touchscreen to adjust shooting parameters such as color, exposure, white balance, and more. When shooting outdoors on a bright day, it's recommended to use 8K 30 FPS video mode for stunning high-quality shots. For nighttime and low-light scenes, shoot in 8K 30 FPS pure video mode. Its advanced AI noise reduction and optimized dynamic range deliver clear, vivid footage no matter the lighting. For high-speed action shots, shoot in 5.7K 60 FPS and enable active HDR. The higher frame rate is perfect for smooth, sharp action, plus you'll get better dynamic range in strong light or backlit scenes. We've created a variety of presets for every scenario. Press the quick button once and swipe through the options. You can also add your own presets for your favorite settings at your fingertips. Now you're all set to create some incredible 360-degree memories.